Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Abhipsha Panikrai, and I'd be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So आज का वीडियो is a travel vlog, you can say. Like we are moving out somewhere for a small vacation for 15 days, and you will get to know by the end of this video where we are going today. And it's going to be a very long journey. Like we have to cover around 600 or 700 kilometers today, and right now it's 7 a.m. and we are all ready and we are about to start our journey. So let's go together and let's see where we are going. ऑलमोस्ट रीच हाफ वे एंड मैं ये ब्लॉग बहुत लेट में कंटिन्यू कर रही हूँ एंड अभी शायद 4 PM हो रहा है. सो शायद हम 5 PM तक भुवनेश्वर पहुँच जाएंगे. एंड दैट्स नॉट आवर डेस्टिनेशन. वी हैव टू गो to more 250 kilometers from Bhubaneswar. So yeah, I will tell you the last destination by the end of this video. You will get to know. So yeah, stay tuned. And we had our lunch right now. So let's go. And मैं vlog continue क्यों नहीं कर रही थी because मम्मी का तबीयत थोड़ा ख़राब हो गया था. Like she has motion sickness. So वो थोड़ा उल्टी करके डल हो गई है. सो या मैं ब्लॉग नहीं कंटिन्यू करी एंड सो आई थॉट कि अभी थोड़ा अपडेट दे देती हूँ. सो या दैट्स व्हाई आई एम हियर एंड टोल्ड यू गाइस दैट व्हाट वाज गोइंग ऑन. एंड सॉरी फॉर द साउंड क्वालिटी एंड आई एम ऑन द हाईवे एज यू कैन सी. सो या लेट्स गो. सो वी हैव रीच्ड भुवनेश्वर एंड हम लोग का यहाँ पे एक घर है तो यहाँ पे आके थोड़ा बहुत फ्रेश हो गए. वी आर हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स द फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन एंड मैं आपको वो जगह नहीं बता रही हूँ बट नथिंग फैंसी. आप लोग सोच सकते हो कि हम लोग एक विलेज जा रहे हैं एंड अभी 7:30 PM हो रहा है तो अभी हम लोग निकलने वाले हैं. तो 5 hours लग जाएगा शायद. तो रात तो बजने ही वाला है. कल सुबह ये ब्लॉग कंटिन्यू करने वाली हूँ. देन आप लोग को वो जगह के बारे में सब कुछ बताऊंगी एंड एक क्विक रूम टूर भी दूंगी. सो या स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर दैट एंड या लेट्स गो. सो गाइस फाइनली वी हैव रीच्ड आवर प्लेस, जो कि मैं कल से आप लोग को बोलते ही आ रही हूँ कि हम लोग वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं बोल के. तो यहाँ पे पहुँचते हुए हम लोग को कल मिडनाइट हो गया. सो वी वर कम्प्लीटली टायर्ड लास्ट नाइट. तो हम लोग अच्छे से रेस्ट कर लिए. सो नाउ आई एम हियर टू टेल यू गाइस वेयर आई एम. So this place is known as Karanjia, which is placed in Mayurbhanj district in Odisha only. This place is my father's workplace. Here he is a government employee. तो पापा हमेशा यहाँ पे ही रहते हैं एंड हर महीने में एक बार जयपुर आते हैं हम लोग के पास. तो पूरा 750 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करके आते हैं. सो या इट्स अ बिट हेक्टिक फॉर हिम. ही मैनेजेस एवरीथिंग सो परफेक्टली. So this Diwali he couldn't come due to his work pressure. So हम लोग सोचे कि क्यों ना हम ही चले आए यहाँ पे. तो yeah, we are here right now and Papa is feeling so well after seeing us. This is so warm and so peaceful. Like it completely gives a village atmosphere. Right now you can hear the birds chirping right here. There is no construction works going on. There is no noise. It's completely away from society. It feels so good to be here, and I'm enjoying the place with my family. So yeah, right now I'm gonna give you a complete room tour. It's basically a 3 BHK quarter provided by the government of Odisha. So yeah, let's go. So guys, are you ready for the quarter room tour? Let's go. This is the complete area of the quarter. This is the main entrance of our quarter. After the entrance, you can see this is a beautiful quarter, जो कि मैं आपको थोड़ी देर में दिखाऊंगी. But before that, we have a beautiful garden right here. This is a flower garden, and in the left side you can see. You can't see, you will see. There is kitchen gardening happening over there. So first we are gonna this side. We will see what kind of flowers are there. So let's go. I will show you the things. What are the flowers are there. So yeah, let's. And please ignore the mess right here. From the left side, you can see there is a borewell right here, which will give you a पूरा गांव का vibe. पूरा गांव में रहना जैसा लग रहा है. So yeah, this is a cute borewell, and then there is a garage over there for parking purpose. And there is a huge field, you can see, playground, you can say it as a playground. Walking के लिए use हो सकता है. And yeah, then here comes a kitchen gardening part. So in this side you can see there is a long beans right here. There is this kundri, पता नहीं इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं, बट हिंदी में कुंदरी बोलते हैं. तो yeah, this is the kundri tree. And when we come this side, नए नए किया गया है, तो अभी तक हुआ नहीं है कुछ, but the caretaker is properly maintaining it. Every day he is giving water and all the nutrition that it needs. And it's the onion plantation. ये भी अभी नए नए में हुआ है, तो टाइम लगेगा ऑनियन आने में. Right here you can see it's पालक की सब्जी, पालक की साग. So this whole area is completely loved with palak. Mirchi tree. You can see very small chilies right here. There is the red one and it's the black color one. छोटा छोटा हुआ है, वो भी बढ़ेगा शायद. See that these are coriander leaves. This is साग only. मम्मी के लिए तो मज़े ही मज़े हैं, क्योंकि पापा जब भी जयपुर आते हैं सब कुछ पैक करके आते हैं. So right here you can see there is a huge banana tree. Then we have a lot of curry leaves over here. So now you can have a view from the back side of our kitchen gardening. So guys, now we are done with the corridor of our quarters. So it's time for the room tour. So let's go. So this is the main entrance of the quarter. So guys, after entering the house, you will find a small room over here where there is a stool rack over here, and then there is an inverter over here. Everything is provided by office only. So ये रूम में कोई स्टाफ वगैरह आएंगे तो यहाँ पे पापा आके बैठ के डिस्कस करते हैं. रूम you will find a bedroom, like small bedroom in the left side, which is completely blank because there is no one living here except my papa. So yeah, it's completely blank and there is a system over here for my father's official work. That's pretty much about it. Nothing is there because no one is living here. After coming to this side, you will find a small dining table, small pretty round dining table over here. Is a washing machine with a mirror over here. Then in the right side you will find a small kitchen. The things are completely messy because अभी हम लोग आए हैं बोल के पापा कुछ लेके आए हैं, नहीं तो कुक रहता है वो ही खाना बना के देता है पापा को. After coming to this side, there is a small washroom over here, guest washroom you can say. Then there is another bedroom जो कि ये भी completely messy है, मैं नहीं दिखाना चाहूँगी. And there is a almirah over here. And it's a small puja room of us. पूजा रूम के लिए कोई अलग स्पेस नहीं है, सो इसीलिए इस सेल्फ को थोड़ा हम लोग रेडी कर दिए हैं. Then comes our master bedroom. Here comes our master bedroom, which is my favorite room. So in the right side you can see a single bed is over here. And then it's a double bed for mummy, papa, and there is an AC provided by office only, and there is a table over here, table and chair. That's a mirror. Okay, so there is a shelf to store the items, which is also messy. Please don't mind. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. And yeah, there is a TV, and in the side there is a washroom over here. Yeah, that's all guys. That's all about our government quarter. And yeah, we are loving this place. So yeah, that's pretty much about this video. And yeah, I think you liked watching this video. And if you like, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you still haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please guys, please do subscribe. I will come up with more interesting contents further. So yeah, please hit the bell icon so you will be notified when I upload a new video on YouTube. And you can follow me on Instagram as well. This is my Instagram handle. And yeah guys, that's it for the video. And bye, see you soon.